Hi, it's Camilla in the garden, and I wanted to just share a little bit of the next step. I wanted to plant some yellow squash and ask the fairies, elementals, and nature spirits where they wanted me to plant it. And they told me to plant it over in the west, which I think I shared with you all before. But then when I was mounding it up, they told me to make a whale mound. So I made this mound that looks just like a whale. I might add a tail to it as well, and I put the yellow squash seeds in there. And it's an honoring of the whale. So I thought that was beautiful. And then I had this great find. I remembered that my friend gave me a clematis, and we switched the climbing lattice on it, and so now I'm like, oh, this would make a perfect fairy door. So it's good to have some doorway that welcomes the fairy realm. So I'm gonna look around for which direction to put it in. Maybe you can help me see how it feels to be in the east, or place it in the south, place it in the west, or place the door in the north. There's some different energies. So I'm going to play around with it a little more and try it. I might try it in the north to start with, and then see if that's where they like it, and I'll let you know. All right, have a great day. It's Camilla, CamillaBlossom.com from Earth School. Thanks.